Back in 2011, our family was were quite young.
We were in a position where financially we didn't even care what we spent our money on. Most of the work that I did was all at night time. Why can't we just have a good, simple life?
I started to work with our people and put Whānau Ora plans together with them. It was initially a difficult talk with the family because, oh no, we're all right, oh no, we're okay.
It makes you think of goals, stuff that you think of but really don't sit down and actually plan. That's what got me thinking, what do I want to do?
By the time we got to the end of the conversations and then I sat down and said, look, I'll write the plan up. And they looked at the plan and said, shucks, did we say all of this? Hey, well, yep.
So I ended up diving into my Māoritanga and that's where I started my journey ki te ako I te reo.
So with our whānau plan, we're looking to get our own home. We want to try and get them into good education.
And here we are now looking back on that and I said to them, you guys had a look at your plan recently? Oh, not really. I said, well, have a look at it. And get a new job, tick. Improve your education, tick. Kids involved with good schools, tick, tick. That's been an exciting part for me to see from where they were to where they are now.
If we didn't sit down and do that plan, I reckon we'll just slide through life. They actually make a huge impact to help us be positive. We keep moving forward. Even though we're struggling, we move forward.
I think it's essential that the Whānau Ora plan and the family and the support and an advisor all come together. Not to do it for them, because that's defeatist, it's got to be empowering for them.
For any of those who are looking to do a Whānau Ora plan, it's definitely something that you need to do.
But by having the Whānau Ora plan, having the aspirations written down, putting goals beside those aspirations, that all comes up from the foundation. The only way it works, and it works well.